Hi, my name is Peter Meyer. I'm a principal at Bethelem Lutheran School in Ossian, Indiana. We've been using Gradelink for the last 4 or 5 years, and as a teacher and now administrator, I really love it. I love all the easy access to reports, the quick grading, the fact that our parents can get online and keep update real quick with where their students are at, and we can have those communication lines open really well. My advice, make sure you watch the training videos. They're really helpful, and they break it down, so when I had to introduce new staff this fall, we could take simple chunks and get them up to speed. So give Gradelink a try, it's worth it.